Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're given the function f of x is equal to x over x squared plus 1, and we need to determine whether f is even, odd, or neither. So if f is even, that means that f of x is equal to f of negative x. And if f is odd, that means that f of negative x is equal to negative f of x. So let's calculate f of negative x. F of negative x is equal to, plugging in negative x wherever we see an x, negative x over negative x squared plus 1. This is equal to negative x over negative x squared is just x squared plus 1. We can move that negative out front, negative x over x squared plus 1. X over x squared plus 1 is just f of x. So therefore, this is equal to negative f of x. And if f of negative x is equal to negative f of x is odd. Therefore, we know that our function is odd.